Hey everybody, Wesley Strader and MLF Pro, and today is the day that I finally get to open up the brand new OPTIMA lithium battery. I've had the prototypes for about 5 months, and I've showed y'all a little bit of the sneak peek of it, but this is the final product. It's orange, and I'm a Tennessee Fall fan, so let's have a look at what we got in this box right here right now. Yes, look here. Boom, there it is, orange top. Hey, one of the features I absolutely love about this new OPTIMA battery is the weight. I'm getting ready to get rid of a lot of weight out of my Ranger boat, and in essence what that's do is going to improve the performance of my boat as far as speed and actually the way it rides. So I'm going to be taking a lot of weight out of the back of my boat, and I'm not losing any performance for my batteries. So that's one of the great things about using lithium batteries. You know, just like on the prototypes that I've been running, it has an on-off feature. You can actually turn this battery on and off. And the great thing about that is I run a power pole charge system, and if you don't actually turn your power pole charge system off, if your cranking battery gets weak, what it'll do is it'll draw power out of your trolling motor batteries into your cranking battery. So now when I get done and I got to store my battery or store my boat for a long period of time that I'm not using it, I just go in, push the button, turn the battery off, and it does any juice drain out of my battery. One of the other features about this new OPTIMA battery is it connects to the NEMA systems. You have 2 positives on this side instead of just 1 positive, and you have 2 negatives on this side. So when you're linking in a 36 volt system and you're a 24 volt system, there's no more running a wire over the battery. They just actually connect side to side. So pretty good feature if you ask me.